This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we did that digital painting, and I hope everyone got that how to do digital painting. So today we'll do some movie poster thing. So how to create movie poster, what and all they use. So I'll tell you how to create a movie poster today. And measurement, it depends. So in the last class only I told you about the posters. So it depends on their measurements. They'll take the measurement. So max to max for a movie poster, they take around 27 to 40. It's a standard size. It's a standard size for all movie announce or advertisements for upcoming movies and all. They'll create posters in these measurement only. So 25 to 40. So this is the measurement for a movie. Things they'll take. It's a maximum. So here I'm taking some heroes, actor. So here I'm taking the photo shoot of those particular hero. So here I'm creating some action poster, action movie poster. So regarding that, you need to take the hero and you need to take the designs also. Selection is really very important here. So you need to select proper image and you need to give the best output. Okay, here I'm taking this image. So you can just drag and drop. You can just drag and drop the image, or else you can go to file menu and then you can place the image. So here I'm taking, in this picture I'm cutting this image, only him. I'm cutting this. So you can use, if you want to cut the image, separate it means, if you want to separate it means you can take the polygon tool or a quick selection, object selection, or else you can take the pen tool also. So once again I'll show you how to use pen tool here. First you need to zoom the picture. So here, from here I'm taking it. You need to just click, first you need to click it, and then whenever you are see, whenever you see the curve point, so just click and drag, just click and drag, and cut it with the alt, and again you are getting the curve. So here also click and drag. So here I need to take the point again. We should take the point and then we can and drag. We'll get the perfect line there. And again it's showing curve here. We can drag, click and drag wherever you see the curve point. Okay. Just click and drag. click and drag. Here again, wherever you see the curve, just go on with that click and drag concept. Properly you need to select it, so just click and drag. So if you want to move the object, so click the space bar, you will get the hand symbol, just move it with your mouse. So move it like that. Select it properly. So go on selecting here. Cut it with alt if you are getting these two lines means. So just zoom. So take the point like this, wherever you see the curve there, select it properly, and again the curve is there, so just click and drag it. So cut this with Alt. So for hair part and all, so if you want to select properly hair part means I'll tell you one thing, you can do Control Alt plus R where it will take you to refine edges. Control Alt after selecting everything. After selecting everything, so you can take there Control Alt plus R where it will take you refine edges. It will refine the edges. So, but if you are selecting the hair part means that background, the hair's background should be lighter, and they should be darkened. Then only it will select everything. If both the, I mean like background and the object is in the same lighter shades or darker shades means it won't select properly. So if that is dark means it should be light, or if that is light means it should be dark. So if it is there like that means you can select easily. Make sure you'll take the perfect image and you'll select that. After that you can refine it easily if you are selecting that kind of images means. Before selecting only everything you need to see. That's why in the second class only I told you selecting picture, selecting is really very important, where it will take you so much time to select one picture. Most of, I mean like 70% of the work is done there only, where if you are taking a good picture there only 70% of the work is done. If you are not selecting means here you should adjust with the options. If you are selecting the perfect image there only it's done most of the work. So cut it with alt. So here take the perfectly. Take the proper selection. Zoom the image, then take that selection part carefully. If you are not zooming there, and if you are selecting just like that, means it won't select properly. Before selecting, you need to zoom the image, so then only you will get the perfect selection there. We should join the starting point. After joining the point, you need to give the selection here. So after joining in that joining that point, so give selection here and give feather radius as 1. So now you can see here everything got selected. So here only this part should select, but everything is selecting there. Just press Ctrl Shift I. So only this part will select. So now just do Ctrl C and V. Just do Ctrl C and V. So it will paste into other layer. So now you can see the differences, the background. So here just take that image and place it properly. If you are increasing, you can increase it, but here half of the image only there. So because we have remember to arrange the image properly, arrange the object properly, and after putting some background we can edit that image, and we need to put some textures also here. I mean, like with the text, I'll tell you how to mask today, how to use clip masking option also today, everything I'll tell you. So if I want some background means I need to go here. So here Here I'll just take some action backgrounds. So if I give here action background, automatically we'll get some action backgrounds so that I can match them. So take the relevant and good background for that. And after that you can match with the editing options. Take the perfect background. And I told you before, so image here, image selection is really very important for object selection. For object image also, it's for backgrounds also, anything it is. If you are selecting means you are, you need time, I mean like you should take time and then you should select, because everything matters here. So whatever you're taking here for the background, that should match there. So remember, you're taking the perfect image. And if it is, and if it is not matching also, you have to match with somehow. So we'll be getting here many images. Remember, you can see the photo here. It's front angle, that too with the zoom. So if I put some these kind of, if I put these kind of images means it won't match. So if it is simple also, no problem. If it is simple also, the both the image should match, both the image should match, and then you need to do that. So here select the proper image. So I'm taking here high resolution images only, high resolution image. According to that, take the perfect background for it. I can take this kind of background only, because if I take these kind of background, then only it can match there. Okay, here I'll take this image only. The image is simple there, so I can take this image. If I want to upload a image with option means, so there is no any action. Look, it is simple only, so I can put some simple background only, and only the thing is I need to match with the editings. If not, we can change the background. The if you want any background, you can put that background. You'll get it in Google there. So go to file and give a place embedded wherever you have downloaded. There you will get the image. Just take that and place it. So here, just place the image. Still it's downloading there. It's taking time to place. Just put this layer up, and here I can increase this. So it is only half of the image here, and see that whether if it's matching here that image or not. So just press Ctrl T and increase little. And here you need to match with the colors also. So in the last class only I told you. So you have taken here the image. So you need to match this layer with the background also. So if you want to match that layer with the background means, go to image, adjustments. You need to do some adjustments. So here decrease some brightness, or else if you want to increase, you can increase it. Increase the contrast. And after all, so go to image adjustment. Here I have color balance. So you can balance the color with that background also, so that it looks relevant poster. So irrelevant to the poster. So we can match with a color like this. Don't go much. Let it be around 20. Let it be around 20. And so I just want to increase this a little. and you can, and after giving everything, so these are all the simple poster. If you go to movie posters, they're all, you'll get the maskings and everything. So you can do that also. So here after taking this, you can give the name also. So only because the look is simple here. The action look is really simple, but it is in action look. But so we can take this much the background. So if it is like if it is hero is having some or something like this, means we can take the relevant background like this. But here you can see the look of this hero. So it is a simple action look, so that we can put some simple look only. If I put, I mean like if I put some heavy action picture background means there, it won't match to this picture. So that's why we can make this simple poster. So here let me increase some more, let me balance color, and here again I'll go to this background picture also. I'll make change a little. So I'll go to this image. If you, so here if you want to work with the original image means, so you need to rasterize that layer. So rasterize that layer. After rasterizing, go to image adjustment. So here you can do some back. So here you can do some changes, or else decreasing of the brightness, because hero should highlight, background should look, but there is some blurriness in the background. There should be some blurriness. I'll tell you how to blur an image also. It's taking long time due to networks. Mm, okay. Here, go to filter. Here you have blur. So in that blur, you have so many blur options. So here you can go to radial blur and the Gaussian blur also. Gaussian blur is better. So you can take that blur. Here you can see the preview also. And take the blur around 1.1 for this action background. See, if I blur so much means, if I blur around 3 point, so here you can see, so here I'm taking around 4.3, see the blur. It's taking time. And it's taking time to apply here also. I have increased around this much. Now you can see the blur. See, it got blurred. So the network is slow here, so that's why it is applying slow there. Slowly there. So let's wait till it apply. So now see the blurriness. So it has taken this much. So let's control Z. Let's do control Z. So I can give only give around 20. That's enough. That's enough. So it's taking time to apply there. So after blurring that, so we'll match with the colors, and we need to upload some text also, the title, movie title, and we need to give some titles also, some advertisement. So those are all we need to give. This much is enough because this will highlight. So image adjustment where I'll increase the contrast there. So now that's fine. And here we'll take the text tool. So we'll take the text tool. So just click. So you will get that. So now give any title. So I'll give here Vikram only. Select everything, increase the size here. So here you can change the font style also. Here change the font style and increase some more. Take the font style. Let me take this one and click on this layer. Click on this layer and just press Ctrl T. Click on that layer and just press Ctrl T and increase. So increase some more. So the size is enough and the font is also okay. Take the text tool and change the color into white where it will highlight there because background is dark there. So if you put light the same color of the text it won't highlight there. So that's why remember, so if the background is dark you need to take here lighter one. So if that is lighter you can take the bold colors here. If you want any styles here, so you can go to this wrap text and click on the drop button. Here you have many options. You can give however you wished. So if you are giving like this you can edit. So if you want to give this one, so you can give this. See now, see the design now. So if you want to give some other design means you can go there, wrap, and here click on that. So we can give any designs like this. So you can increase if you want. Now you can increase the title also. So click on that layer, just increase, Control T. Go to that corner of that. It's taking long time. So Control T, go to that corners, drag it. and take the move tool, arrange it like this, and I want to change the style. I don't want this. If I don't want anything, I can give just none. And here I should give the title also. The if the hero is having any title means that can include on top of this title also, uh, by using any shapes. So yesterday we did for this, no, we did it for the advertising poster, no? So in same kind we can add some shapes and we can put the relevant title which the hero has earned. So we can give that title there. And this is my movie title, and I can give some texture to it. Now I'll show you the clip masking. So if I want to do some clip masking, let me take some texture here first. So texture, here I can take the relevant textures. So that should be JPG. Right click, save image. So download this, go there, and here if I want to picture, go to file menu. So there, go to place embedded, select that picture which you have downloaded now, take that picture, take take that picture and place it on top of that place on top of the text. Take that picture and place it on top of that text. See here, it should be like this. You have to place that texture on top of the title, then right click and you can give here create clip masking, so it will mask that. And after giving everything, if your text, if you want your text to be 3D means, you can give here, click on that text. So here you can go to 3D mode. You can do revolve or bevel, extrude, like that. So it will take time. 3Ds and all, it will take time. So here it's already, I'm having here the network issue. So it will take time for 3D. If you give 3D, it will extrude there. The text will extrude. And see now, if you go to, I'll show you one thing. The masking will work in so many ways. I'll show you how. If I go to movie poster, Someone mic is on. Put off your mic. Please do put off your mic. Chat. Ma'am, what about the attendance for the last two classes? Attendance for the last two classes I have given, and each and every classes I have taken. I have called their names and I have taken. And in online also, if you are attending here, I'll be getting online attendance also. By seeing that, I can give the attendance. Who are all attending, they are getting the attendance here. Who are not attending, they are not getting. In online, who are all attending here, I'll be getting one data who are attending. So for them, I have given the attendance. Don't worry about the attendance. At last, I'll take that. So now it's still 7:37. So I'll take that attendance at 7:50. I'll start from that time. So now I'll show you how the clip masking will work. If you see this image, so these are all clip masked. See this one, they have clip masked. So I'll show it for not for the texture. I'll right click and I'll release the clip masking here. So now what I will do, I'll take this image and I'll increase the size of it. So it has covered the hero. Now see the changes. I'll take this texture, here I'm taking this layer down and just putting this on top of that hero layer. Now I'll just right click on that texture layer and I will give create clip masking. Now you can see it has masked the hero. So in that, by masking that, they have done this. You can see they have masked this layer and have arranged some more picture there. And for this also they have masked the background and after that they have used the eraser. Most of the image, see this one, most of the image will be doing in this manner only. They'll be masking the image and they'll be doing this. See this one. So they have masked and after that they have erased and they have added some more pictures here. Most of the images will be into that. See, masked and added some more few pictures and they have erased. And in further classes I'll be teaching you double exposure and other. So you can see there. See this type. So you can create the posters like this easily. The technique is the same. See here, technique is the same thing. See this? The technique is same thing. So when they have masked like this, I'll show you. See, I'll just give a texture here. It's not matching there, but simply I'm showing you. So how they will do? So it just masked here. I'm taking the erase tool and I need to rasterize this layer before, because it's a original image. If I'm working with a original image, I need to rasterize. Need to increase the brush size. So should increase the brush size and put the opacity around 35, something like that, and erase it properly. Wait till it apply. Still it's loading. They'll just erase there. So you can make those kinds of posters also by using clip masking. You can clip mask to anything, any object. If you're clip masking for a title, or if you're masking for a, see this, it has taken more. Take the opacity lesser. So here the network is slow, so that's why it's taking long time to apply there. See here, if you erase like this, see, transparently it will come like this. If you erase, if you still more reduce the opacity, means it will come like this. So you need to reduce that. See, can you see? And after that they have added the image here, the other image, and again in that image they have erased here. Like that they have done many more clip masking and they have added the image. So they do other, these are masked here. Can you see? The most of the images are masked here. Masked. See this one. Remember to do that and do it with the erase tool. Erase it with the erase. By reducing the opacity, you can erase. See here. If you reduce the opacity, so it got, see here. You need to reduce it properly. Reduce the brush size also. Then you do that. Do it however you want. And it is easy to do that and give the name. And after that, if you see the movie poster, here there are all advertisement names will be here. So if you want to give the advertising name, means just go here, movie poster text, give that movie to text png. So here you'll be getting into black and white colors here, if you see, means. So after taking this, here I need to so that I'm taking this one, selecting this, right click, save image, and go to new tab, save this image, go to new tab. There you'll be getting for if you want to remove the whole background for that PNG means it will take time. So here I'll tell you one thing, BG remove. So here go to BG remove, go to that website, and what you have downloaded now, just take that image and drop it here, and it's for free, you can use. And don't remove all the image background, practice with the tools first, then you can use this for other softwares, not for this software. And if you are doing it for the text purpose means it's fine, don't do it for the objects. And now download that, go to, press Control Z here first, right click, release clip mask, put that, and give create clip masking to the text. Now go to file, place embedded, and here which I have downloaded, place that, increase the size, put this below the text. Place it properly, and if it's not visible you can go to image adjustment, here go to use saturation, increase the color of it, take this one, increase the color like this, and now this is enough. And if you want to add more some more text for the posters means you'll be getting here advertisings, logos, here see this, see in this only you'll be getting some more, see the advertisement and the logos on top of here, on top of this poster, and you can post it here. And the title which I told you, the you can add the title here, and the advertisement here, and here you can put that advertisement, and after all it looks like one poster, movie poster. Remember, editing of the poster should be good, and remember taking of pictures, selecting image is really very important. 70% of the work is done there only other part will take you with the editings. If you are shooting perfectly with a background, that object means everything will match easily. So remember that. And text, here network is slow, that's why I could not show that 3D part. And I showed you that clip masking, so you can practice that clip masking. Clip masking I have shown here, most of the posters will be getting that clip masking, they have doing that, so you can use it for your poster. Just practice this what and all I taught today, and use the pen tool for poster, for cutting purpose, cutting the object. So you can learn if you are using. I hope everyone got this movie poster and the tools, and I have taught you the filter menu also. Tomorrow I'll come up with a new concept also. Every day, new concept will be there. I hope everyone got what I thought today. Guys, I want your attendance. I'm taking your attendance now. Adya Tyagi,
Present, ma'am.
Abhivekti, Abhivekti, don't text. Don't text. When I call out your name, just tell me present or absent, or don't tell anything. If you are not telling anything, I'll mark you absent. When I call your name, just tell me present. Abhivekti, Achala Reddy, Achala Reddy, Afreen Sultana, so if you cannot answer, if your mic have, if you're having some problem with your mic, you can text. Achala Reddy, are you present? Afreen Sultana, okay. Amruta Roy,
Present, ma'am.
Anuka Varsha,
Present, ma'am.
Ashmita Deb,
Present, ma'am.
B Sharda,
Present, ma'am.
Bhuvya Shri, Bhuvya Shri,
Ma'am, Jyoti
Chris,
DM.
okay. Chris,
Present, ma'am.
Deepna Devaya,
Present, ma'am.
Dia, Dia Mandara, Dia, Hitaishi,
Present, ma'am.
Huda Konai, Huda Konai, Konai, you're present. Your voice is not audible. Text, if you couldn't speak means give a text. Jyoti DM present. Kushiba, okay, present. Huda is present. Kushiba,
Present, ma'am.
Kaushiki Bomek,
Present, ma'am.
Mary Sanjana,
Present, ma'am.
Musad Rite, Jasmine, Navjot Kaur,
Present, ma'am.
Purna Shri,
Ma'am, Purnashri present.
okay. Sahana Kulkarni,
Present, ma'am.
Samiksha Bajaj,
Present, ma'am.
Sanjukta, Sanjukta Gupta, Sanjukta, Serena Fernandez,
Present,
Serena
ma'am.
Fernandez, okay. Charlene Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Shirisha Siddharth,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Sonal Manju,
Present,
Sonal,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Siraj Dutta,
Present, ma'am.
Srijat Dutta,
Present, ma'am.
Tejaswini, Tejaswini Casey, Tejaswini, Tejaswini, Tongam Tamlimbi,
Present, ma'am.
Trisha, 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 B.S. Harshita, Harshita,
Present, ma'am.
Harsh, okay. So today absentees are Achala Reddy and Afreen Sultana, Bhuvya Shri, Dia Musadrite, and Sanjukta, Tejaswini, and Trisha. Okay, and rest of them are present, right? Okay. Okay, guys, I'll end the class for today, and I hope everyone got. If you have any doubts, I can't hear your voice. Tejaswini, okay, I'll mark you present now. Jyoti, DM present. Huda Kunayan present. VS Arshita. Tejaswini, I can't hear your voice, ma'am. Okay, Tejaswini. Okay, I'll mark you present. Okay. Tejaswini, I marked you present. And if you are not able to answer me, just give a text. No. Okay. From next class, give a text. If you can't speak means I'll end the class. I hope everyone got the topic today and tools, options, everything. Please do practice with that poster. Bye. Bye, class.